How to use Janitor AI absolutely free. Yeah, you heard it right. You won't require any money to use it. Now let's see how we can do it. So first of all, get your account sorted up on Janitor AI. After that, when you try to chat with any character over here, it might require you to pay, as ChatGPT requires subscription, but we won't use ChatGPT at all. Instead, we will use Kobold. So let's see how we can do that. Select any of the character that you want to chat with. Suppose I'm using this one just as an example. And after that, when you click on this option of chat with cranky roommate, its name is, so just open it up. And here, since I'm already connected with the API, that's why I can chat, but let me show you how we can do it. So for that, click on the three lines over here and click on this option of API settings. Now, instead of clicking on OpenAI, select this option of Kobold AI. Then it will ask you API URL. So how do we get it? Let me show you how you can do it. So open up Google search and search for Kobold Google Colab. After that, you will see these two options, the GPU one and TPU one. TPU one usually takes a lot of time, and even after that, I was not able to get the URL using TPU. This is where I used TPU, but it was really painful and didn't give me the results that I was looking for. So then I started and gone with the GPU option. So this is how the GPU one is working, and it gave me the URL at the very end. Now let's see what are the settings that you need to do in order to get the correct URL, API URL to be precise. So just let me scroll up, and here are the settings. I used the model, this NERS V26B, and in the version I use United. So when you open this up, you will be able to see official as default, but instead you need to select United. After that, if you want to use Google Drive, so just check this mark. I don't want you to use Google Drive, so I just unchecked that. After that, you need to run the code by clicking over here and wait for the code to complete. It might take a while. It might even take 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So just have patience. After that, you will be able to get this API. Just copy this API and paste it on Janitor AI over here. And after that, just click on Save Settings. And this way, you would be able to chat with any of the character out there. If in case it shows any error to you, like the characters are short or something like that, just simply go to Generation Settings over here. Now over here in the max new token, just play around with it and make it around 500 or just in the amount which is shown in the error. And this way you would be able to get rid of that particular error also. So this is how you use Janitor AI absolutely free. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.